Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, January 6th, and there was a press conference yesterday with Governor Jay Inslee in regards to COVID and the phased approach that has been taking place. So as you all know, we are continuing in the phase that we're in now until January 11th. And the announcement yesterday was that rather than staying in the phased program that had previously been announced, that now there's just going to be 2 phases, and then additional phases will be rolled out as counties. And actually now they're going to be grouping these counties together as they get closer to that next phase. I don't have a ton to tell you about this. I have read a lot of information and listened to the press conference yesterday, and unfortunately, it is a bit confusing. The one thing that I will say is that there are 4 main metrics that have to be met to move from phase 1 to phase 2, and then there are metrics that have to be retained to stay in that phase 2. The big key thing that wasn't discussed that I noticed yesterday in my readings is that what happens in phase 1 and phase 2 has very little to no change when it comes to professional recommendations. So for example, an office space currently in the phase we're in is allowed to have 25% capacity and are encouraged to have as many people as possible work remotely, and offices are closed to the public. What phase 2 does is the exact same thing. There's absolutely no change between phase 1 and phase 2, which leads me to believe that there's probably not going to be a big change between phase 1 and phase 2 for real estate professionals. Now, I don't know that, and there isn't any data that actually outlines that at this point. So as soon as that data is out there, I will let you know. The one thing that I will say from what I can find online is that it does not appear that many of these groups of counties will be moving from phase 1 to phase 2 on January 11th. So I'm really just coming to you to say, let's just stay strong. We know that between phase 1 and phase 2 for real estate professionals, there's likely not going to be a huge change in what is allowed to be done. So I don't anticipate open houses. I don't anticipate that there'll be a whole heck of a lot of change for a little while. So keep doing what you're doing. Plug in with your clients as much as you possibly can. Continue to check in with everyone. The new year is a great way to pick up the phone and just say, hey, what are your plans for the coming year? Is there anything I can help you with? How's the family handling everything? I mean, we're approaching a year of this here in the Pacific Northwest, specifically since those first cases came out here. So it's a good time to check in with people. As soon as I know more, which will probably be on Friday, I will do another quick little update. So have a great day. If there's anything at all that we can help you with, please feel free to reach out. We're here for you.